Right, this is my 2018 Firework stash. All of it purchased from Galactic Fireworks, apart from the 4 packs of rockets, the 2 screamers and the 2 dumb bums. But as you can see, it's going to be quite a loud night. Got the dumb bum fan pack, as well as some single shot Roman candles, some rockets. Definitely the Warhawks, can't go without Warhawks on Bonfire night. Massive brakes on them. Got the Weapon G, great firework. Got the Full House selection box, really good fireworks in there. So yeah, it's going to be a loud night. Loads of shots. That's my 2018 Bonfire night firework stash.